Hi, my name is Colin Ross. I'm a solutions engineer at Nearmap, and today we're going to be talking about change detection in a context of EME safety in the telco space. Telco operators in Australia have massive networks of assets that they need to manage and understand. Part of this is understanding risk with regards to safety and EME. There's a variety of factors that affect understanding the safety risks around these. A huge part of this is construction activity near radio antennae. If there's construction activity happening near one of these assets, it can lead to shutdowns of these sites. Operating networks with thousands of sites across Australia, these unexpected shutdowns can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars each time. What I'm going to do now is walk through an example of how Nearmap's AI data can be used to understand these risks proactively and minimize these costs. Here we have an example of a location in the Adelaide CBD. If we imagine that we've got a telco asset placed on this marker pin, we can look at how Nearmap's data can be used to understand construction activity and risk to our asset. So looking at this photo in April of 2023, we can see that all the buildings are intact, there's no construction activity happening adjacent to that site. If we jump forward one survey to July of 2023, we can see quite a lot has changed at this site. The building's been demolished, we have a lot of earthworks happening. What Nearmap's AI data is object detection. If we turn on two of these layers, in pink we can see our construction site data, and in orange we can see our building footprint data. This is another visual tool. We can access this data via our APIs as well, and I'll walk through an example of how that might look in this graph. This graph demonstrates looking at that same site over a range of dates. On the left we have dates prior to April of 2023 where we have a stable level of building footprint area and no construction activity. From July of 2023 moving forwards, we have a big reduction in the area of building footprint and a jump of the area of construction site, signaling demolition and construction activity happening. And then if we look at this final graph, this is where we are looking at a bunch of different sites at a given point in time, which allows us to understand which sites have a lot of construction activity near them and which sites don't have much construction activity near them at a given point in time to allow you to do prioritization works. I hope that gave you some insight into how Nearmap change detection can work. If you want to learn more, check out our other videos.